Well, I was born in Philadelphia, raised by immigrant parents, Hungarian and Polish and Yugoslavian.
Do you feel relaxed and rested and beautiful? Well, I guess you'll have to see yourself to know for sure. Yeah, it's pretty movie star-esque. Well, it's definitely, I would say definitely glamorous, but soft. And I am going to fluff this little flat part.
Okay. Balance,
balance. Balance, balance, balance. And let me see. Okay, you can look.
I can look. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, I look so different.
What do you think? You can go up close.
Oh, I love it, Chris.
Your instance was to neaten, right? It's your instance is to poke, yeah. But these are just your curls, which will neaten a little bit more when.
Oh my gosh, this is.
But that's your natural.
My natural curl.
Yeah. So you saw I just threw it into clamps. So you.
Wow. Oh wow.
And it feels like it, doesn't it? Like so. What I would do is just like loop, fluff in there, let these kind of scrunch in.
So fun.
Oh, I suppose you need your glasses to really see it, right?
I'm good right here. I can zoom right in here.
Okay. And look at the profile with the bra.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
So there's no tummy.
There's no tummy.
Right?
Oh my gosh.
Oh yeah, turn the light up. That helps.
It's Carol 2.0.
Yeah. Yeah. No, I think you look really pretty.
Oh, I love the lip color. Oh, it's great. Oh, it's great. Oh,
Yeah.
thank you.
My name is Dave Cosmaker, and I'm here with my wife, Carol Cosmaker. I actually don't watch the shows with her, but she's been a fan for a couple of years now. And when she told me she wanted to do it, I thought it was pretty brave and pretty cool. Little getaway adventure. And I know she's going to come out of this with more knowledge about fashion and makeup and those types of things. And I know she's had a lot of fun over the last couple of days. Just going through everything that's, they're long days, but they're fun. When I saw her last night walking down the road, across the bridge from my hotel room, I wasn't sure it was her. Only kind of the way that she walks, kind of cockeyed on those bricks. But I thought it was another woman, and I said, oh, uh-oh. But so I thank God that was not the final. And I know she's had a ton of fun. I don't really know because we didn't cheat last night. She wore the wig and we turned the lights out, so I don't know the color of her hair, neither does she. And I think that it's going to be a little shorter, but that hair grows. I mean, that doesn't matter to short or long, because she changes it a lot anyway. And if she's happy, I'm going to be happy. Well, one way or another, I'm still taking her home with me, but I think everything is going to be pretty good. Well, she's had a number of medical challenges over the last couple of years, and but she loves an adventure, and especially coming out of COVID, because I picked the wrong time to retire, which was just pre-COVID, so all of our early retirement plans got put on hold, and this is just really something special.
All right, Carol, this is your debut.
Ready or not, here
My
I
name
come.
is
Carol Cosmaker. I'm here from Annapolis, Maryland. I'm 68 years old, and I hope, oh no, that's not what, the next thing is that.
You look good, but you're reminding me of somebody, and I don't know who it is.
Jaja?
No, it's not Jaja, but you look good. You look good. And they made you taller. Look at this.
It's a miracle.
Holy mackerel. I don't want to mess it up.
You won't mess it up.
No, you
great?
look good.
Like
Spin
it?
around there. Oh, yeah. I think that's pretty cool.
Do you like it? Or her?
Yeah, I like her. She's all right. She's all right. Did she tell you I used to go to a lot of her haircut with her years and years ago? Make sure they did it right.
Really?
Yeah.
Do you know what he's always wanted, Christopher and Robert and Kayla? He's always wanted me to have silver blonde hair.
So that I'll
And
take care of it.
you did it.
This is what I think it looks like, a natural blonde. It looks
Wow.
appropriate.
Good, huh?
You got a new wife tonight.
I know, and you can recreate that hair?
This
It's just-
all I did
this
was
is my
put in
natural
some
hair.
clamps. That's her natural curl.
This is my natural curl.
Wow.
Isn't that great? Who
can
knew?
mess it up.
Who knew?
Wow.
Isn't it wonderful?
It is. Like it?
I love it.
Holy
Did you notice how
mackerel.
quirky her boobs are? New bra.
Did you notice?
No, I didn't get down that far, but I helped her raise them up this morning with her straps.
Come look in the mirror here.
So-
You can see it, like if you come over here, I forget there's cameras or whatever, but if you can see everything from a distance, just how, you know, the drape of everything gives more of a waist and just, yeah.
And I like your dress too.
Oh, I'm so happy that you do. He typically doesn't like me in a longer length, so this is really great.
But it's when you just sort of cross.
Well,
your
I
leg.
like the color. I'm not a brown or tan guy.
Okay. No, it's pretty on her.
But I like her with color.
Oh, Christopher does too.
Well, I just think she's colorful. I mean, like that's why I wanted to bring the makeup out, that it came out.
It's good, huh?
Yeah.
I can twirl.
Girl.
I can twirl
Yep, keep it in those heels.
in
up
those
there.
heels.
That's a sexy mama right there.
Wow. No, I think it's really, really neat.
Isn't it? It's sexy. It's alluring, but it's tasteful. And what's your word? Elegant.
Elegant.
That's your word.
But she
Elegant.
does look elegant, right? I guess when
That's
I
your
saw her
word.
walking through the room, I'd say
No,
was
she
lovely.
does.
Lovely. She's just.
That's
lovely.
his word. He always says.
It's so different, you know. Like last night when she walked down the street, she didn't look like herself at all.
Well, I was
and
wearing
now
a
you look a lot different.
But easy to put up when it's like this too, right? Like that's pretty.
Oh, that would look. Oh, that would look good too.
Yeah. You know, so it's just easy with pins if she knows how to use her natural curl, which is really just letting it air dry. And then once the facelift tape comes off, there'll be some real. Still, it's nice to see.
Now he has to buy me a face.
Yeah, right. Or just get the tape.
Will you teach me to taper?
Yeah, sure they are. Just stick these two things there, and it's good to go for today.
Yes. Yes.
Well, because it's so good and we love you guys, we wanted to give you some stuff.
That's pretty fabulous.
Wow. That's a great blue heron,
Okay.
which is always found on the bay and the
Okay.
rivers. There's 3 rivers that feed into the Chesapeake. There's the South River, there's the Severn River, and the Magathie River. And Dave and I live at the headwaters of the South River.
You sound like you're from
We have
the perfect Midwestern accent, though.
no.
You do it.
And then the great blue herons are all found all along the rivers, and they fly over our house.
See, I'm going right there right now.
They're
to research.
gorgeous. They're gorgeous.
No, that's a part of the country that we've had in my mind.
Well, come and visit us.
Yeah.
We'd love to have you guys.
Yeah, I'm old enough now. There's antique stores and stuff.
We'd be happy to host you. And now I have to tell you, this is out of print, and I searched old bookstores and found,
You thought things through.
and I hope you enjoy it.
Celebrating Annapolis. So this
It's
is.
a book that I use all the time, and I felt like everybody had to have one, so everybody got one.
I'm
No,
very
I'm gonna.
excited.
I'm going to do it. Yeah, Kayla might.
I'm
even
very
cook. You
excited.
might even cook.
I really might.
I'm
Oh, I
gonna
love
send her some
cookbooks.
fun
We even
recipes.
put music on and read cookbooks out loud. Dissolve 2 packets of yeast into warm water. And the music's going and we laugh.